Hello and welcome to part 3 of our Super Lab multi-region web acceleration with high availability using AWS Global Accelerator. We have already completed part 1. In the part 1, we set up VPC. In the part 2, we have set up our security group, our EC2 instances, and also set up load balancer in both the region. If you look at this diagram, you will find out that we have everything ready, and these are 2 load balancers that are already deployed. Now, how I can verify this? So here, look at this. This is my ALB India load balancer, and this is URL, and I'm able to open this website. So if you will use this URL, you can open website from India, and it is actually load balancing traffic between 2 EC2 instances in India. I have load balancer in US as well, so I can use this URL, and if I'm going to choose this, it is going to open website from web server 1 and 2 in US region. Okay. Now we want to load balance traffic between these 2 load balancer. We want that any user from USA, when user is going to open website, it will be redirected to the US region, and we have customized experience that user will get US experience. If the user is going to open from India, it will be redirected to the Indian load balancer, and user will get Indian website experience. And it is also going to provide us high availability. So now it's time to set up our big brother of load balancer known as Global Accelerator. Global Accelerator. Now keep this in mind that Global Accelerator is global service, right? When we are going to set up our load balancer, we have to choose a specific region. We have to tell them that I have this India region and I have 2 EC2 instances into the different availabilities on load balance traffic between them. But when we are going to use Global Accelerator, it is a global service. So here you will get this global option. You will not get any regions. You cannot select any region, right? So let's go to the Global Accelerators. Right now I don't have any. So let me click on Create Accelerator. Here we have to give name my GA. Okay, you can give any name. Here we are going to use standard accelerator, and we are going to choose IPv4. If you want to set up dual stack, you can, but for our understanding or our learning, we are just going to concentrate on IPv4. So I'm just going to choose this, right? Now let's click on next. When we are going to set up this global accelerator, okay, we have to take care about how to set up this. We have to create a endpoint group, and we have to add endpoint here. So here I am going to add listener. As you know that our service is going to work on a port number 80, and it is TCP port number 80. So in the listener, I'm just going to add 80. Let me explain the whole process again. In the previous step, we just added name that my global accelerator name is my GA. We choose IPv4. Then next, here we are going to add listener for our global accelerator. So I'm just going to add port number 80 TCP. Next, we need to create endpoint group. Now, for any number of region that you are using for your lab, you have to add endpoint group. So look at this diagram. We are actually going to use 2 regions. One AP South 1, which is Mumbai, and another one is US East 1. So we have to create 2 endpoint group. If you are using 5 regions, then you have to create 5 endpoint group. Okay. So here I am going to choose India first. So AP South 1 Mumbai. We want to distribute 100% traffic from India. So I'm not going to choose dial here. Okay. Here I have to add another endpoint group as well, because we have 2 regions. Another region we have is US East 1. And yeah, we are going with the 100% dial. So we don't want to divide anything right now. Okay. Next. Now, for each endpoint group, we have to add endpoint. So as you know that in US region, we have this load balancer as an endpoint, and India we have this. So it is very easy. Let's do this. See, this is endpoint group AP South 1. And here in this endpoint, I am going to add endpoint. Okay. You need to select list box, and you will get this application load balancer, and you will get India load balancer. Look at the name. Okay, we are getting ARN. So here we have AP South 1A. So we have to choose this. Okay, we are going to preserve IP address. We are not going to touch anything with here. We don't want to set a wait because we have only one load balancer. So we are just going with the default one. Okay. Now we have just only one load balancer. So not going to add any another endpoint into the AP South 1. Here I am going to endpoint group US East 1 and going to add endpoint. If you click over here, it will add another endpoint into the AP South 1. Okay. We don't want to do this. We have only one. So I'm just going to choose this. Now endpoint group US East 1 and click add endpoint. Choose application load balancer. It will provide you ARN of ALB US. Yes. I'm going to choose this. Added both endpoint into both endpoint group. And let's click on create accelerator. It is very simple. Now here it is going to set up global accelerator. It will take some time. Right now I am getting this disable status, but don't need to worry. It will be enabled automatically. If we are not going to get it enabled automatically, we have option to choose this. Okay. So right now it is in progress. Wait for a while. Once it will be in deployed state, we will go ahead and test this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Still I am getting disable status. If you are getting same like me, we have option to enable this manually as well. By default it is always enable, but sometime maybe I just clicked on a wrong button. Maybe because of this I am getting this disable. So no need to worry. What you can do if you are getting this disable status, click on it, click on edit, and see here we have enabled, right? So you can enable this as well. So wait for a while, 2 to 3 minutes. If you are not getting this enable status, you can manually enable this. Okay. Now here I am getting this, but still it is deploying. So we have to wait, but let's check it out that if I'm going to use this DNS name, I'm able to open website or not. Here status has been changed. This site can't be reached, but no need to worry about this. Okay. We have to wait. There is no problem, but it will take some time to deploy this. Once you have your global accelerator, you can access your website using these two IP address. You can also use DNS name of your global accelerator in order to open website. Okay, still it is not working. Another thing that I want to tell you that if you want to verify that your website is working perfectly and how it is going to open website from all over world, you can go to Google and you can open website like GeoPicker. Okay. Now this website will provide you access, like you can verify that how your website is reacting globally. Okay. So I'm just going to open this and now let's check out that are we able to get website or not. Still it is not. No need to worry. We are waiting. Okay. I've been waiting from last 5 minutes and look at this. Now I am able to open website. As I am from India and I am opening this website from India, it is actually providing me web server from India. And look at this. It is actually providing me both web servers, right? Now, if you are from US and if you will open this URL, you will get US version, right? How I can test out? So here I am going to copy this URL and I'm going to use this GeoPicker application. Okay, you have to go to the GeoPicker, click on go, and now it will open website from different countries and it will give you screenshot about your website. Now, if we are going to open website from Virginia, okay, definitely we will get US website. But right now, I am getting India website from all over the world. Look at this, right? So I can say that there is a issue, okay? Why I am not getting US website? So we have to check out because I just, started once I got my website. So it will take some time, but let's check out that is there any problem with US? So what you can do, you can go to the Global Accelerator. Okay, here you have your listener and here you have endpoint group. And here I have only one endpoint group. Look at this. In this, I have only one endpoint group. Look at this. It is only AP South 1. I don't know why. Maybe I missed it, but no need to worry. Okay. I am getting only one endpoint group. Maybe it was my misstep in the previous step. So no need to worry. Let's do not edit. I'm not going to edit this video. I'm going to add endpoint group directly. Okay. So click on endpoint group. Here I am going to choose US East 1. Next, add endpoint. We have our endpoint application load balancer. This is our ALB US, and let's click on save. Yes, I have added here, and now let's wait. Now we have to wait here because it is now again in progress. Let's check out that yes, US East 1 is there, and yeah, it is healthy as well. So let's verify what is happening. Yeah, of course, it is actually opening website from India. Let's check out global. See, this type of tools can help you to solve issue, right? I just use this tool to explain you the things, and I found that, okay, it was my error. Now, still there is a problem. I'm not able to access US website. So we have to wait. There is no issue right now, okay? Because if you go to the US East 1, you will find out that the status of US load balancer is also healthy. Okay. So no need to worry about it. We will open website again after 2 to 3 minutes. We can also try to open website using public IP. So let's use this public IP. And here we are getting website from the India as well. Okay. Load balancer of USA is working properly. Look at this. I'm able to open website. So it is not an issue. And also we are able to get this endpoint group here. So we don't need to worry about this. Okay. We just need to wait for a while, and we need to copy this URL, and we have to use GeoPicker, right? Still it is in progress. So it will take some time. Sorry. I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course, 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.